In our previous video, we spoke on how to pay with Cash App at stores. But do you know some online stores that accept Cash App? Well, here are some online stores that accept Cash App as a payment method. 1. Square Online Store. Square, the company behind Cash App, allows merchants to accept payments through Cash App on their online stores. 2. Etsy. Many Etsy sellers accept Cash App as a payment option for their handmade, vintage, and craft items. 3. Shopify. Shopify stores can integrate Cash App as a payment gateway, making it an option for their online customers. 4. Wish. The e-commerce platform Wish accepts Cash App as one of the available payment methods. 5. eBay. Some eBay sellers may accept Cash App payments for their listed items. Well, since we won't detail all of them, some other online stores that accept Cash App payments are Reverb, Poshmark, Depop, Mercury, Facebook Marketplace, and many others. It's always a good idea to check the individual options before making a purchase, as the availability of Cash App may vary. Additionally, be sure to follow the store's payment and shipping policies when using Cash App for online transactions. That is all for today, and we hope to see you in our next video.